You're number 3.
Wer wird mein älter Tacke? Geist älter werden, dann muss Geist verstehen.
I'm not liking the setup.
Okay.
I'm not liking the
So
setup.
how do we wie seht ihr das bei der Tatas?
Okay.
Am I looking at you yet?
Einer redt erst in Colorado und der andere... Okay.
I'm looking at you.
Stop making fun of me. Okay, I told you the setup is gonna take a few.
Yeah, for sure.
But also spielt that imittens. There's it's zooming in, it's zooming out.
The smart mind.
We're like almost French kissing on the.
Danke für die Tatas.
All right. Okay. In Zamado.
Yeah, I wonder if smart technology learned how to play AI and learned how to play with our minds. You know what I mean? Almost. Okay, jetzt spielen wir mit dem. Okay, also.
Die Hester geht.
Ich gehe mich rein, geht.
Okay.
Okay, die auch geht, check.
Okay.
Yeah.
How were things? How are you? Was going in?
Very good. Long time no party.
Yes. Things have been sort of hectic.
Yeah.
Sort of man gemoved and man gedacht aufsetzen and a lot of things happened. But zurück zu gehen zu der
Present.
zu der Schwung, ja. Zurück zu gehen zu der wo es ins Thema reibig.
Ja. Wo ist das man eigentlich? Man redt, man schmiesst, man kommt sich durch,
Ja.
man solved alle equations.
Man tries sich selber alle equations.
Ja. No more problems.
Ja. Ich sehe einen Mann, der mir ganz ungezogen frage, der Beat, wo bist du ungezogen? Der lately realized that there's kein problems.
Hat nicht wusste Team mit der Zeit.
No, es geht ihm geht. Einer hat ihm gefragt, sie haben darauf gehen zu ihm ziehen, sich ausbeten.
Ja.
Ist doch alles geht, er sieht nicht, was er da.
Du kannst scoren.
Er fühlt nicht normal, you know, like.
Doesn't know how to deal with it.
Yeah.
I'm it's a big issue, learning how to deal with life being good. Accepting life's good, life sweet, life just no the post-traumatic, you know, that the famous Sigmund Freud said he doesn't understand how Jews are walking around for 2,000 years with post-stress. Sagt ich hear Tomer ein Dor, zwei Dor, you know, you carry the Zeides, wo es der Seide durchgegangen, der Lager. Sagt man walkt durch 2,000 Jahre wegen der Beis Mikdash. He said he doesn't know how it's possible to walk around with trauma for that long.
It's a major PTSD, huh?
Yeah.
But,
we're like PTSD Central.
yeah. Okay, we können schon angehen, gleich Antisemitic Talk. Yeah, it's the Antisemitic...
No, we didn't say that Jews run the world yet.
Jetzt haben wir noch nicht abziehen.
Ja, gerecht. Gerade ich bin ein Mensch, was pflegt dann allemal ungezogen. Bis ein Tag geht ausgehend freilich. Fragt meiner, was ist geschehen? Sagt hat das auch Tages. Hat geheiert, einen zu trugen dann Tages. Sagt man hat es morgen, wie der Geist damit zu. Sagt ich weiß nicht, das ist nicht mein Tage.
Hat er dich geheiert? Nehm keer.
Ze zijn headache, hij wacht met zijn Tages.
Wagt er mit seinen Tages.
Ja. Tages, what are you going to do about it? Aber es ist ein Ziel geworden, es ist ein Sachmut kann sich fragen, like a Mensch hat Tages, and it's not from the present day. Weil hat er aufgestanden, hat gehad a coffee, gehad a Sinn, life so far for that day was good, so there is no current Tages, was hot of than pleites. It's not old traditional Tages, so to speak. The new word, by the way, traditional viruses. I went for a checkup, I wasn't feeling good, so I went for Corona, and it's like, it's not Corona, Baruch Hashem. So he's like, maybe it's a traditional virus. Like traditional.
We are a traditional family, Grado.
Yeah. I'll take 2 traditionals to go. I was like, what? Like,
What's my interpretation mit traditional, I guess?
Wat vleeg dan? Wat is normaal? A flu. Dit is traditional. With a traditional krankheid, they wanted to push, I guess, that for now only this new world, new age, it's only Corona. So die hast da verzatische krank, hast da flu, bis old fashioned. Schämst dich nicht?
Wachst du immer mit der Flu, mit der regular common flu. Come on, bring ein bisschen.
Mehr denn das ein bisschen.
Ja, mach es mehr dangerous. Lass über a trail of blood. Vorige Woche sagst du, wir gehen zu einer Family, sind schon die Woche nicht da.
Yeah, they were nice people.
Nice, but so geht du bist healthy zurück.
Ja.
Zurück von Schwink oder da unten wie ein Mask, du, in Gloves.
Wie ein arabischer Meidl.
Ja. Ich fuhr allein in der Karten und in Gloves and Masks.
I feel bad for those people, by the way. I really feel bad for them. Mamish.
Sie haben Morde von sich allein, I would say.
Ja, was ich Morde von der eigenen Shooten?
Aber ich meine auch, es geht heran in a Camp. Like, ich bin in Camp Mask.
Ja.
Like in Camp Gloves.
Ich habe mir mal angewagt an Mikve und ich sehe Menschen ganz in der Birthday suit, hat noch runget in der Mask.
Hello. Hast du mich gekannt, hè?
No, like it's definitely a almost a disease in my opinion. First of all, it's not healthy. All the people that going around that went around with it all day, it's not healthy. Now they told me they came out with a law that actually a law you're not allowed to go with a mask.
Ja, weil deze geven ongeheuben gamberen.
Ja, weil die haben angefangen to tut nicht gehen mit der mask. Oh yeah, really? That even nowadays? Modern day bank robbers? I thought because of bank robbers, think the guy mit Taschtichel.
Bandana? Yeah, but bandana became a normal thing as a mask.
Yeah.
Weißt du, die watch the alte movie and the guy walks in with a mask and a bank robbery and he says, oh, ist noch gut nicht geschehen?
Yeah.
Because a mask now is normal.
Yeah.
But back before COVID. But the Sache mit masks, if die feels nicht gut, die hast da flu oder die hast da cold, geh mit a mask if you have to go out.
Yeah. First of all, get a good mask. Get one that actually that has breathing ventilation in it.
Was ist gemacht worden für das?
Was ist gemacht worden für das?
Yeah.
Nicht da...
Surgical mask.
It's a surgical mask with a toast jade puma. I don't know. I think they change it often actually when they're in practice.
Yeah. And it's only meant for basically when die machst etwas surgery, nicht die.
Yeah. If anybody wants, I'll give them a free trial.
The mess of it.
Hard, sure.
Sure, aber Open Heart Surgery, vorige Woche Dienstag, no problem. Ich hab nächste Woche, Thursday, habe ich eine Opening. And so gemacht worden, soll nicht heransparen.
Yeah.
It's not meant for anything else, so. But da wollen wir gehen Geherig verkauft dafür.
It's schrecklich. Schrecklich how man kann dich so gering... Tomer me gewalt man can sagen as they didn't, but they could have said that the color blue is safer than the color yellow. And
Gerade ist auch da.
Ja. Toen is ik met de gele mask. Ik weet niet wat het is.
Wat met ins alle gangen met gele mask.
It's not politically correct. You know, the Jews go with yellow masks.
70 years from now, we'll hear like sad music. Set that off a picture with that man with a yellow mask. And they made us.
Everybody had blue ones.
Oh, Jews. Wir sehen eine ganze Train, jeder einer mit blue mask, einer mit a yellow mask. Mit, die ganze Welt kickt im Mund. Pfui.
Oh my gosh.
Ay.
Never again, they say. They say that's what they say.
Who said it?
Yeah, people said
Yeah, never again.
Never again.
It's kind of Emma's.
It's kind of true.
Because never again meant it will never happen again.
Yeah.
Dezelfde Zach.
Yeah.
But
100%.
new things will happen.
That's
Get what I'm saying?
100%. We always have to be on the lookout. Anybody says never again, and then if anybody wants to carry a headache, this is what they should walk around worrying about. If anybody's looking for dogs.
Yeah. In the Merzaier in a weird spot, by the way. Ich sehe es online. Ich will nicht hingehen echt, but the Jewish hate.
There's a lot of Jewish hate. It's
skyrocketing. In zijn vlekken Muzana, so wie into the Tisch, like on the internet, hat es geherig forefront. Again.
Yeah. October 7th, I think, brought a lot of that out. Like what an okay... Kommt been okay to be gegen Israel, and then it turned into okay to be against the Jew. It's sort of like...
The problem, geht also, that people schreien, man kann nicht an gegen Israel because it's anti-Semitic. Which is not, weil die will gehen gegen a government. Hast critic of a government doesn't mean you have critic on the Jews. But weil sie das so also wie combobulated zusammen, they feel like, oh, okay, so you're going to call it anti-Semitic, es ist nicht, they're just going to go all out.
Yeah.
And I think there was people from Inzerzat was nicht des Sisach mal anti-Semitic, mit des, gedenkst du, Puch durch zurück ist a bill, anti-Semitic bill, etwas gewesen in Congress.
Ja.
Die Oile mir gewesen in ganzen hitzig auf dem. Das ist schon beruhigt, but the hate fuhrt darauf. Ich feel like we're not addressing it. Das ist, was ich feel. I feel we're not really addressing the problem.
Yeah.
Ich weiß von nicht wieso.
Ich weiß nicht, ob man weiß, wie soll. Ich weiß nicht, ob es du a lot of people, it's traditional by them. And I don't think they're the issue. The problem is a lot. Let's say, I think, if anything, Israel should be involved in it. Yeah, thank you. In marketing and these types of things, if they call themselves so, they pick and choose when to be the pro-Jewish, so to speak.
Sie ist da, man kann es picken, man kann es die ganze Zeit werfen. Oder bist du, oder nicht.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like there was hate gegen the Yid, right?
Yeah.
Nichts das auch het verratet.
Yeah.
Like, oh, no, it's not the Israeli government. And ook het the Yid.
And that guy.
Yeah. I don't hate them all, besides them all.
Yeah.
But I hope einer weiß, was es ist.
But first of all, I remember a lot of them. I spent a little bit of time arguing with like I was once in a Kretschmer, and a guy came over to me. He's like, "Can I ask you a few questions about the war in Gaza?" This is in 2014, and I said, "Sure." And he started asking me questions about it. I said, first of all,
the war in Gaza.
In 2014.
Ah, okay.
Not now. So it's the same hate. And I said, listen, I said, nobody's calling me up to ask me decisions to go to war or not.
Fish line one. The war committee sits that in. We all agree. We have to go in 5 o'clock? Yeah. 0500? Yeah. What did Fish say?
Yeah.
Damn it, he's not picking up.
As in toilet, right?
Ganz Gaza gegangen kacken, weil ist im Toilet. He's not picking up. Send in the troops.
He's like, stell dich vor, schickt da bomb Iraq. Bekitzer, ein paar Minuten später, bekommt ihm, sorry, bomb Iran, mit das star typo.
Ja. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Wrong neighborhood. Und wir sagen, einer geht Irak hier an, same thing.
But so I told
him,
I said, yeah, we love Iraq, I think. Iraq and Iran.
No, I'm saying we're just being funny. We're not being against Iraq or Iran.
I'm not happy. I want to
Afghanistan.
I want to visit, happens to be. I want to visit Iran. I want to go, I was thinking about it. If the only way to join them is to go with the Tira Carta.
They're there? Nah.
They're travel around for political purposes. They give them, so to speak, because they try showing they're against Israel, not against Jews.
Didn't Tira Carta.
Tira Carta.
Because left to it. I'm sorry, I made a mistake.
No. Left tour went to Mexico.
Yeah, they had a raid yesterday.
What?
They had a raid.
On who?
On
Left tour?
yeah. Episode gewein in left tour, underage marriage. 13-year-olds.
13-year-olds.
Ja. Ich wollte schon basically gassen gaat 40 jaar. Is schon eine Seite bei den Nansen.
Wow. I don't know why they have to push it, by the way. First of all, I don't know the difference of a boyfriend, girlfriend, or marriage. Like, is a boyfriend, girlfriend legal at 13? Like
legal?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
So what's marriage? Marriage, I mean, somebody pushing him to get married.
I would say so. I'm not sure. I'm not sure
the schematics and stuff. No, I would like. Sometimes I wonder, like, if I would have found somebody a Havas Needham, it's called Young Glove.
Havas Needham.
Ja.
Oh ja, Havas Needham. Ja, wie zoekt man das?
Young,
das beglandes, ja?
I think young, I think it means love of the youth. Wel de zelbe van mijn goelem, den love, wow, love.
Mach es Rosig.
Mach es Rosig. Noch ein bisschen.
Atrop. So macht Rosig von sich allein. So nicht. I'm joking.
Yeah.
We all need love, no?
We all need love, whether it exists or not.
Zoek die schon schraten über de Draten, ne?
Schraten über de Draten. Das ist ein Degel.
Just imagine game down shuttle mit Kasiba.
Wow. That's how it used to be, though. In Europe, people got married.
I don't think marriage, it was like that. Maar toch schon gewiss. Maar gewiss, dat is für ihr. Die Watschfieler an der Ruf.
Ja.
Ich do ein Part, wie man sieht, wie der Jingle kickt heraus von Heider.
Ja.
Und kickt, I would say to the Brinnen, ich bin nicht sicher exactly wie kickt, but he's looking somewhere. Und sieht dort nach Meidl. Zanich. Und sie schmeicheln sich so zusammen. Showing that zij zwei gehen sind zusammen.
Ja.
Like, sie sind schon gut in Kalle. Sie mehr so wie sie sagen.
Ja.
Like, okay, meine Tochter mit dann sehen.
Ja, die hat ihm gesagt, 2 Jahre Gulemen als ihr Mann ist das. Und er hat ihm gesagt, wow, man, Kalle, 2 Jahre. But they didn't send any presents, I think. I don't know if they geschickt jede Jomte presents mit der Date, mit der Jens.
Nein. Es kommt gar nicht hin.
Efter Gläser Milch.
Schickt zum Großen.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't know they had a raid over there. No.
Listen. So, what were you saying?
So I spoke to the guy in the Kretschmer about Gaza, and afterwards I had a long conversation. I said, it's not 1 foot. I said, I highly doubt anybody on both sides wants war. I said, normale Menschen, ich glaube zu den normale Menschen auf beide Seiten, wo es keine will nicht kann. I feel the religion dort, lass mich sagen, sie preachen, foi, geneiden, weiß ich mein, Jew, whatever. They're preaching hate over there, and they're preaching... There isn't really any preaching hate in Israel about Gaza, by the way. I mean, when I went around, I didn't hear much of it. To destroy them or stuff like that. It's not really the sprach of the place. But let's say there is places that bash both sides, you know, that both sides are bashing each other. Still, nobody wants war. And the Bashaygitzen, wie going to Mechumma where a person could people die at war. Nobody wants to lose a family member.
Yeah, kind of nicht blit, rather wie peace.
Yeah, so peacefully argue, peacefully b'shaygens, right? That's the whole Middle East mahalach, by the way. The expression of the Middle East, me against you, me and you against the neighbor, me, you and the neighbor against
the bigger
neighbor, me, you and the bigger neighbor against the next shtut. And another guy, this, by the way, the mentality of that place.
Your enemy is my friend. So dezelfde, dan enemy is my friend.
Basically.
Va dich zu schlagen.
Yeah, basically, it's gibt tot dat dag. But the mentality over there is a wild mentality. Over there, you could cut off when you're driving, you could cut off a police officer. If you're driving too slow, you cut him off.
Wie?
In Middle East. I was
different.
in Turkey. It's a different mentality.
The mentality van a police is dezelfde wie du.
100% not.
Like, Du hast nicht mehr von der Mailman, du.
Nein.
Selbe Sache. Cops
Ja.
haben andere Mine, like in India, the cops geben Patch. Like, you can watch videos, sie haben Anstecken.
Ja.
In, lass mal sagen, er stoppt 2, 3 Motorcycles und einer stoppt, geht ihm gehirig Patch. Lässt ihm auf ein Patch. It's different, wo es geschehen zu Menschen, wenn du ein Police Officer geht da rannehmen,
Ja.
dort ist echt nicht du.
Ja.
Also wie du, se du jails und es du for criminals, but es ist mehr so wie, weißt du, wenn ein Cop du tits aus der Badge, es du rare Videos von dem, wie ein Cop tits aus am Badge mit seinem Gun, tits alles aus und geht hands on
Ja.
mit jenem and whoever wins, like there's no arrest and there's no, this is mehr in andere countries.
Ja.
Du is mehr, als Gatinapus, wir kennen dich heraufgehappen auf the law.
That's what it turned into, by the way. And I hope really, really sincerely it'll stop because it's not a healthy. It's not what America stands for.
Es bringt daran Geld. It brings in money. Also wie jails is privatized. Wieso kann sagen jail privatized?
I'm not sure.
It's just crazy.
Yeah.
Because why would not? Sie schon du auf der Record, sie schon du Judges, was haben geschickt Menschen in jail.
Und bekommen Geld.
Ja. So wie der was läuft jetzt war President, Kamala,
Ja.
hat gehalten Menschen in jail für länger, sie sind Firefighters. Sie haben, weißt du, a Wildfire,
Ja.
kann man nützen Prisoners. Du hast Prisoners gehen raus, fighting the fires, sie weiter do their sentence and they make money, whatever the case may be.
Right.
Sie hat gewollt oben mehr, sie gehalten Menschen in jail.
Wow.
So it's a bisschen, I don't know.
That many dishes.
Yeah, jail is not for the faint of heart.
No, not at all. It's horrible.
Yeah.
So-
Have you ever gone visiting someone in jail?
No,
No. I've been a couple of times.
it's probably not
Heavy. Some people enjoy, like, sie sind just dort, as in, wenn ich reise visiten, we talk and it's just friendly. Nachdem wir do Menschen, die kennen, sind heavy and they have a lot on their mind and they're literally delivering you their weight. Was
Yeah.
ich mein Point wegen?
No, that the people that do that do it for money and stuff like that. It's people's life. People's lives have value.
Yeah, once man geht around dort, and sometimes people just going around 10% corrupt, kommen raus 90% corrupt. Like, bad.
Because they learn, especially juvenile.
You need to survive.
Especially
So if he
juvenile.
likes to run a mensch is a chayas, he's going to become a chaya.
100%. Easy to make man an animal, hard to make an animal back to man.
Oh, interesting line.
Yeah.
Okay.
They say it on the military. Kennst du einen 18-Jährigen, likest du mir an dort, nachdem wo es machen, zu dir gehen, Arbeit nach einer Seite?
So wie ich sage, sie sind in Afghanistan for 10 years.
Yeah.
Do you think they're going to come back here and...
A lot of them have very hard times. Either they continue in the military and like it's sort of worked out. Some of them. Other of them have a very Michigan a hard time. It's
Yeah.
Veterans Day. They get a certain respect.
Oh, so we got Veterans Day.
Yeah.
Weihnachten, right?
Well, no, that was Labor Day. I don't know what the celebration is, by the way.
Oh,
I'm trying to
Labor
figure
Day. Wow, shows you.
out. Yeah. No,
Veterans Day, Labor Day.
No, we spoke Veterans Day. We spoke Memorial Day.
Memorial Day
That's
is...
for the dead ones. Veterans Day, I think, is for the live ones.
I don't know.
That besides the way. But valuing human life is the answer to anti-Semitism. Because most people that saying nobody ever is accusing the Jew of going around and destroying life. I never heard that complaint about Jews. The complaint about Jews is they're elitists. They run the world.
They make things better.
They make things better.
It's a problem.
It's a problem, but like I was watching a clip. I mean, I didn't like it came up, and I was like, what? That's called a red pill, right? You know, when you get
the red pill.
the reality. The Jews run the world. I'm like, I didn't know Bill Gates is Jewish. I didn't know Mark Zuckerberg happens to be his, but what?
Kann ich zum Wort. Gewohnt du in the neighborhood.
Attack that?
Nicht du in the neighborhood, but...
So he my neighbor against the next neighbor?
Yeah.
He included?
Ich schicke mal Link zu meinem Geide. We grew up in the same neighborhood. Harachmunas.
I didn't know he's from around the New Yorker.
Yeah. I mean, as my memory serves me right.
Yeah, but Jeff Bezos isn't Jewish. I mean, you want to go around seeing people that are running. The guy from China is Jewish. I mean, it's such a dover shtis.
I don't know. I don't know if it's dovish this. Because if you say that all these Uxen sind the klickste, kommen uns in their positions.
So, aber Lamas became even people that want to say Jews made the Holocaust. I mean, all these stuff. You want to say there's a place for it. The Zionists did it to make the state of Israel good. It could be if it happened, they pushed their agenda then.
The problem is mit alle Sachen, so ich also,
It's insane.
there is two types of schlechtin. So du ich will keine über zu meinen Neighbor nach die etwas.
Ja.
Nog damit du, wie ich lässt aus a valve.
Ja.
You get what I'm saying? It's
Yeah,
not on
yeah.
his property. By the corner, er war drei aus der valve, hat nicht jetzt kein gas.
Ja.
De ins laat meer van dem. Het maar in zijn pain is zag meer psychological hecher pain. Makes sense what I'm saying?
100%.
Versus arrangen mit a gun und schießen einem. So, also wie man sagt, also wie in der Gerosself mit alles. High Lifeline.
It's
We geben noch ein paar Organizations, Bike Choilem,
Boina Oilam, even Chavaidam,
Chavaidam, Chavivam, all that, ja, so eine sehr geht. What's my point?
That'll help. Psychological issues?
Oh, and I'm saying like, me helft dich Sach, but then, man da rauswarfen die Kinder von Geider mit der geben hell für das.
Ja.
Was
Die
kann auch hargen an ein Mensch.
Avada, die Yin-Gang.
So wegen dem, wenn ich hier das sage, wo Menschen sagen, der Jieder an der Welt, ich kicke ihm I'm like, okay. Because die Halsa, die bist der Amma Mifcha, die bist der klickste.
That's the Bible fault.
That is the biblical fault.
So, do the Jew that brought a book to this world that's the #1 bestseller.
Yeah.
Stop reading it.
Cool.
The problem is, you know what he does? He starts reading another Jewish book written by Marx. The problem is all this stuff is you're going to say that the first of all, the biggest anti-Semite they say is the Jew himself. By the way, that's the.
How was it this, master? Like,
Because everybody has to deal with his own issues. But I think that the Jew is always so traditional, such a good scapegoat that it just flowed because people realized. I had a friend that he had a point with also. He was like, wow, Jews run the world, and Jews this, Jews that. He's like, and he was Jewish, and he was like, he was conflicted because he put himself into watching all these types of stuff, and he's a Jew, so he was very conflicted with himself. And I spoke to him like, dude, you run the world? You're Jewish. What are you bothered by? You like. And after I met him a few months later, he's like, yeah, it's all BS. Like he realized, like, what do you mean? Like, look at his own life. So if whatever they're saying is true, his life should be totally different.
yeah. Ich sag de Sache ist so. Happens to be, das habe ich gehört von Jordan Peterson, as the Ashkenazi Yid hat a high IQ.
That's true.
So if a group of people and they have the high IQ are gonna get to positions
That's true.
in power.
That's true. And they do get to positions of power. And historically speaking, any country that was good to the Jews was successful. So let me ask you, if it's true that Jews are running this, is it worth it to be bad to Jews or to be good to Jews? Historically speaking, any country that was good to Jews till today was successful.
Kijk eens auf a neighborhood.
So it's worth it to hate? What are you gaining by hating them?
Kijk on a neighborhood, wenn sie kommen ran Jiden.
Yeah.
In der neighborhood, der Koiden halt man sich stark, man geht an gegen Rauf Menschen fallen weg, in der 1-2 Chevre, wo sie einen Klick and become friends,
Yeah.
werden der Mayor.
Yeah. Maar men neemt dat local te zijn ermee.
Ja, but they had the cycle, zu wissen.
Ja, men weet het kloor.
Versus the hate and
So Jewish hate never got anybody anywhere.
no.
it's very sad. As opposed to Jewish love, got people many places. And
Aber wenn die bist das zweite Volk,
ja,
badet dich es als das zweite Volk, ja, das auch.
and it's the computer.
No, right.
Wie great is it? It typed schwer. Do you know how many parts of the computer is made in South Korea? It's about it nicht, dass South Korea macht that computer. It's about it nicht, dass ich weiß, iPhone kommt von China. Pink the Jew made the modem. Oh, the Jew runs the world.
But if we do get position of power,
yeah,
then we are in a sense. But
responsible.
We'll just machen a disclaimer. What I'm trying to say,
the Jew has a responsibility, if anything.
In the high positions are a Sachiden.
Right? Ja, percentage-wise.
Gepackt. Versus wie viele Menschen jeden sie do.
Ja.
Was ich will sagen, als es nicht do, was ich sehe, eine Gruppe von jeden kommen sich zusammen, Moshe Shabbos sagt, interracial, immer platt. Als ins will man das in die Jens.
Yeah.
Get what I'm saying?
100%.
Versus
how many stories did we grew up, though, by the way, on the other hand, als de Puritse gezicht, oder de Caesar gezicht, oder de Sultane gezicht, en getroffen a Joitz a Jid. En wieveel de Jiden gelitten dorten, als zijn Joitz van de Melech. En dan gaat ik ben a gitte Joitz.
En geowned de bar. En gewinnt spät in Rent.
Ja.
This is such typical story. Geowned de bar.
Ja.
Je had geen geld voor rent. De Puritse is er man. Ja. Man was gehargert.
And a lot of these stuff did happen, by the way. And you see in history, the Puritans that was the people in power that were good to them, they only gained from the intellectualism of the Jew. There is no Mata Shabbos place where there's people sitting down. We come in to bring in the Amadina. The kind of in history, we Jews try to bring down a government. There is no such place. If anything, Jews always try to build. Look at all the stuff they say that they're running the Nobel Peace Prizes. They're running the scientific work. The Jewish conscious conflict, if you want to say it, if anything, is always he's not good enough. And he has to do something better. He is improving. This is a Jewish with a lot of Jews that I know are dealing with. Et nicht genig git getin. And henceforth, even in non-religious Jews, they're always trying to improve. They're always trying to be better. Even the Jews that with Jackie Mason said, they're trying to be goyim, trying to be a bigger Gentile than the Gentile.
But that is, I'm a better guy.
Yeah.
I've been a guy for 2 weeks.
Wat ik denk, a goy is a goy, aber a goy gommer is echt een Yid. Ken nog een Yid.
Was versteht a goy? A jüdischer goy.
That a Jew would never walk around with a shirt called Friedman, you know. It has to be called a
Gucci.
A Gucci, Vecino. But the I think the Jew should be prouder of himself, by the way. When I spoke to this person, about after we went at the gather, we went at the side politics, and how many issues that are taka issues, people being hungry, people needing food to eat, all these types of subjects that are more important than a person's if he's straight direction or whatever he's going in. That's much more important. Giving food for people to eat. There should be soup kitchens in every
fish with kitchen, yeah.
There should be food in every. You know how much food they throw out. You know how much the people that research the stuff.
Sach food geht in garbage.
Sach food geht in garbage. They gave the food to Menschen to essen. Wo hat das getan mit?
But man warft in garbage auch wegen Markets. Also du
corporate. So
no, sie sag Market. Sie sagt tomatoes.
Ja.
Kannst du nicht chargen für tomatoes.
So like give the tomatoes with die warft daraus. Give it to a soup kitchen.
Kennst du nicht. Because then the market from tomatoes are gonna go down. Verstehst? So kann ich gewinnen.
Can ich gewinnen? And because and who's that? So who's gonna be blamed for that? Bibi Netanyahu. Yeah. George Soros. So blame George Soros.
A Jew.
The Jew. He's a Jewish, I think, that doesn't like Jews. I think he's very Ingerische, was mamisch, it's an Ingerische.
Yeah?
Ingerische gone sour as sour can go. It's scary, you know. It's what people should expect is shouldn't put so much hope in people in power. Das habe ich gelernt, und das ist keine geringe Sache. Ein Mensch in Power ist derselbe Mensch, hat derselbe Problem, was jeder...
Noch ärger.
Noch ärger.
Weil ist in public eye.
Ja.
Und treibt dich an zu rennen, so ich kann sagen.
Wie Bezahn jetzt zur Haare gegangen kacken?
Ja. Ja, das kann jetzt sagen. Ist ein government official.
Does that mean like...
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Question.
Yeah.
Bist du gegangen camping die letzte paar Wochen?
No, I didn't want to go if I didn't feel good.
Oh, you didn't feel good.
I'll blame it on that.
Yeah, all right. No, because a couple of weeks ago, there was like a few camping things you weren't invited. I'm sorry.
No, I had yeah. I have to put up like a face for that. Or if a hat. I have to
Die bist
put
da
on
camper?
side. Somewhat.
Somewhat, yeah. I can...
I had I drove around for a week with a tent in my...
He's a camper. Had a tent. Had a pole.
So ik heb dat benkel, a rocking chair.
You're not an outdoorsy guy?
I like outdoors. I love nature. Absoluut in de tour.
Yeah. Der you ben gewoon camping kan einmoven.
Verwunnischt.
I don't know, just... I don't know.
Ze gaat het erg snel, by the way. Like,
There's immer schon over.
It's mishige. I'm just starting.
Yeah. I'm like, right now I'm taking out my slippers. Weißt du, like, darf schon rausnehmen the boots, man darf schon das Salz von der Schnee. It's crazy.
Yeah, way too fast for me. Way too fast for the summer. But there were a lot of campings. I only made it to one this season. I think other people went a lot more often.
Yeah, this year was like packed.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. The people around me went like every week camping.
Wow.
Ja, ich habe noch nicht gefühlt, weißt, wenn es kommt zu groups, you know another group, you know everyone in their group,
Yeah.
but it's not really your group.
Yeah.
So overlapping with the groups.
Yeah. It's always funny when you have two friends, kennst ein Mensch von einem Platz, ein Mensch zweiter Platz, and if they meet each other, sagt man interessant beide Wegen. If they don't know each other, die darf introducen, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. B,
Heard
Mr.
so
A.
much about you.
Yeah.
That I hate. I heard so much about you. I think
really-
you will be friends. And yeah. Trust me, no. I will not be friends with you.
Or if they know each other and they never told you about it.
Oh, okay, this is conspiracy theories. Guys, around deep in relationships. No, but if you know two people and then they... Okay, nicht haben wir nicht gesagt, but let's say sie do zwei groups who's going camping of the selbe camping ground, different groups.
Right.
And the energies, like when you meet one guy, let's say you're more of a, hey, what's up, dude, right?
Yeah.
And the andere bist du mehr als a, hello.
Yeah.
And when you meet them both together, you're like, oh, schnitzel. Like, do I say hello to him?
Like,
This,
einer hockst and einer gets the door of that fist bump.
Yeah.
That was this.
it's like a weird energy thing.
Yeah.
I had it. Like I had to hug like the fourth person just because I hugged the past three.
Yeah.
Just on rude like the hey, hug, fist bump. Killer.
I get wine in that tent.
Yeah. You know, we can hear you. Weißt du, in der Tent, das sagen wir, wenn man schläft in der Tent, dann geht mit Menschen, die haben nachher gecampt.
Yeah.
And in the free oder bei Nacht, wenn jeder einer schon in Camp ist, reden zwischen sich, and sometimes I say, hello, do you know that other people can hear you? Hast nur das Gehör between dich and the outside world. No, because the head says, oh, bist im Bett, man redt.
Yeah.
That's like again camping.
Yeah.
Speaking about camping.
Maybe this week.
Yeah, doesn't seem far off. So do never sink. A camping ground never sink. I never heard of it. But they would.
Yeah.
Same old geheerd ervan. Huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Ik heet vanochtend.
Dreaming.
Ja.
Some of the dog was slow do noon, so. Sie chulamt. Dogs, by the way, chuleman.
Oh, yeah? I didn't know that.
Yeah. They dream.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That explains why they don't have an issue just laying like that. What do they dream about? A bindle?
Yeah. A running session or, I mean, not quantum physics. I mean, this was a helicopter flying. But more of a playful, I would say.
Yeah.
Moet je watch dat video.
Ja, dan ga ik me petten.
Yeah. Had me gepet. Je watch een video via a dog licked off of the floor. Goelemt. And he's running. He's running. In his dream, he's running. Hij gaat zich gaan gappen af. But he's still running. So he runs straight into the wall.
Ouch.
But yeah, but...
Welke goelen waar er läuft?
Yeah, life doggy heaven, as they say.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mamish didn't know that doggy's dream.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks like it's a little bit scary now.
Could be. Could be it's having a nightmare. You took away the bone.
Oh boy. Oh, did it been into the bone? I know it's plastic and it's a brachenglaag. No?
Nah, I don't know. I'm saying like she's like,
Yeah.
bone broke too fast.
Guys are unbelievable.
Ja, zij spieren alles.
Yeah.
You know? Like nerveus, ruhig.
They pick up on it, and they're aware of it, but I don't know if they know it. I don't know if they know, okay, jetzt is een nerveus, jetzt kan je stil zijn.
Oh, no. They don't have that weekvintrachten.
Yeah.
En dus wat ik haalt allemaal een passport. Gewoon niet. You know?
En daheim komen en dat 15 minuten nog te beginnen barken.
Ja. We komt aan, gaat de eerste bank. No. Okay. It's a non-free barking zone.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it's having some dreams, they doggy.
Yeah. Dreams are unbelievable. The question is about controlling the dreams. People, lucid dreaming, I think it's called. I'm still not sure how it's done. People that do it, sometimes I'm trying to a little bit learn how to do it.
It's a process. It's not it's not going to work. I mean, pink time mens gaat eens arbeiden. De eerste man. Je gaat er ook gaan commenten. It did work. It's meer a process.
Yeah.
Like you write down stuff.
Yeah.
Die guys schlafen. You write up when you wake up. And the idea daarvan is, als ze zijn conscious in dan schlaf. De regen die bist conscious in dan schlaf, kannst du controleren wo du willst.
Okay.
Besides van laufen.
Ja, deze
Ken ich laufen na dream?
Beglaan?
No. Ich denke, ich pflege dreams. De schneller du laufen, als schwacher
We
wachsen.
can driven. We can fliehen.
Yeah, you can't read.
We can't read.
Can't read.
We kunnen laufen. We can gaan.
We can umkommen.
We can omkomen.
So, als kind, wenn ich pflege Guleman en laufen, pflege ich just a vision of wie ich bin dort. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But,
Interesting.
yeah, we can laufen.
So that's somewhat lucid dreaming.
In a sense, yeah. Have you ever had a dream? Have you ever had a dream? Can I say video?
I had a dream.
Oh, this is a whole nother level.
Oh.
So do they a klein Engel. Have you ever had a dream where you I can say geschmaald was
Yeah.
You had dreams that you had you could want him to do you so much you could do anything.
Did you ever have a dream that you knew that bist nach Holland?
Ich kmat a pur moel de andere weg.
Als ik het real, huh?
Ja,
Can't wait to go to sleep.
Ab hier habe ich weiter Gulam.
You know it's a dream.
Ich meine das. Because I'm like, this ain't my real life.
Too good. It's
Yeah.
too good.
Du bist ein Ziege geworden, du musst Sachen du geweest dus. I don't think for example, I don't think I smoke in my dreams.
I never thought about that. Is gerecht. I've never smoked in my dream either.
So I don't know That's interesting gerade now. I don't know if I thought more about a dream can sein, like such stissem. I'm like this a fies kommt da raus von a Wand, a body around, a body raus.
It makes sense. Like in your dream.
In the dream, it's possible. Stuff are possible versus what? I'm like, this better be a dream, man.
Yeah. I walk into your house and say, "Takafis." It's not a dream. I'm awake.
In hotels can man hebben weird dreams. Meinig. Dat had different weird energies.
Okay.
Mensen we zijn darten.
Oder the energy in the room for them.
Ja, de mensen in de room van mij.
Yeah.
Ja.
Wow. Oder the mensen nog in the room. That's a whole nother dream.
That's a whole nother dream. That's what it was.
I never woke up from that.
Now that you mention it. Yeah.
Have you ever tried pinching yourself in a dream?
No.
You know the saying, pinch yourself to see if you're awake?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Kan je lines pinchen in een dream?
I don't know. But imagine, die gehst dich jetzt a pinch, in this is a dream. Die heißt nicht Fish.
Ja.
Weissmandel from Sofra, New York.
Ik goel hem van Fish.
No, again, you woke up. What would you do? You wake up, you bist totally a zweiter Mensch. Whatever you knew was a different. What was in the dream?
I'll probably do whatever I am then. Dan ben ik weg jetzt auf en ik bin nicht du. Das ist ein ganzer nach Hulem.
Die woont in Slaansburg.
So ich
Als dat pick-up truck. Hij is Jonathan.
ik ga klachten met hem stehen.
And you meet Fish
I
there.
go right away. Oh, that would be interesting.
That would be weird, no?
That would be very weird. I wonder if that's possible, by the way. There are people that say they have, what's it called? Not premature of before an event happens. They have a tachulum, and animals are very good in that.
A projection as well?
Yeah. Let me look at that storm. They know.
Oh, sie, by the way, wenn sie fangt nur an, let's say, jetzt a beautiful weather, but lass mal sagen, sie do clouds in the horizon, she acts differently.
Yeah.
Sie fangt an werden also wie cautious and something is going up.
Yeah.
Und dann sagt man, weiß man nicht, man fragt, and all of a sudden, sie fangt an regnen. And we're like, oh, wow.
They know what they have, their instincts are so there are people like that also that could have dreams and they think that it's the future and the...
In the jiddische Welt, it do the thought, the idea, as Königen haben gechulam Sachen for the future.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yes. Wegen dem gehen Paros chulam, also...
Nicht nur Jewish, any king.
Yeah, nicht in the jiddische, nicht in the jiddische...
The König. Yeah.
The high-end people, high-end. The people in control or whatever, gehad a connection.
Yeah.
Chaloimas and... But I don't know, I don't...
They've been keen.
Ich weiß nicht wegen meiner Chaloimas, but am Anfang bin ich kein König,
Damit bist der König steift auf die frühe erste Tag. Excuse me. Yeah. I dreamt and jetzt... Nein. Schieß him.
No, we're just kidding. I didn't know I was king yet. I didn't know you're gonna actually do it, you know?
Wow, the power with that Koenig flag haben. By the way, interesting about dreaming, something similar to it. I think in the Indian culture they have it, wegen Gilgilim. Tomer einer wird a baby, in keiner zweite Mishpuche, somehow, I guess it works via the same schrijters wie dat, but to do cases of them. En dan is, maar toen mag van dort nog te proeven die religion. Dan is er een case waar van, ja, deze.
Dus is het.
Aber man sitzt hem, dan in den alte Mishpuche, man sitzt hem over nun. Dan bedoel ik denkt, ik ben een tate van een tweede Mishpuche. De andere Mishpuche zijn mechabbet, man sitzt hem over nun.
Bobby, eh?
Ja.
And how did they know?
Well, because he never met the family, and they looked the name.
Something like that. There's a test.
The test. But imagine, stel dich voor, die gedenkt, die ik weer naar Ocean, de laatste Gilgul.
Damn it. Hopefully denke ich, wie ich behalten dem Säckel Cash. Oh, sind wacker mit der Shovel.
For some reason,
Busy. Metal
I hit
detector.
it here.
I remember there was a tree. It's a riesige building.
Wacht er immer so. 1 minute.
Imagine we can picken seiner zweiten für der Tag 2, ja? That would be...
Wow.
Ins Fume schon da an auf a Sach-Theories.
Sach-Series.
Ja.
Ken zijn nog altijd gepickt Jonathan van Sloots.
And just imagine Jonathan van Slootberg back to go fish. He's like, what the hell is going on? I was Jonathan yesterday. So do actually as a movie, wie zwei Menschen treffen a relic
Ja.
and they switch bodies.
Ja.
Saying like it's a movie, but it's pretty interesting, the concept.
Yeah. If we could switch who we are. I think, I don't know. Ich weiß nicht. Ich weiß, ja, nein. It's a movie.
Movie is obviously Hamas.
Ja, want ik ben
Wees niet.
Ja.
You can make a rewind and kannst es noch mal watchen.
Ja.
Da kann der nicht liegend.
Nein. So mensen with bones uit de MS office, it's problematic.
Depending also wie jing wat ungeheben watchen movies. In auch het wäre dort gewesen, der Masbesan, als es a movies und ist echt and there's life.
Ja.
You know what I mean? So wie die Cinderella stories. Ist du meidlich von Fertig, sie meinen, sind noch the Sweet Queen. Aber geil, sie kommen raten von der Tower. Los, sie ist in der Tower, eh? Sie sind attack in the movie, but los, in the Tower.
At this point.
Der Riesenfall, wo sie nicht auf der Tower, was sollen nach Rost tanzen. They're not waiting someone to rescue.
They're not waiting anymore. Man, that's
The fish.
Yeah.
Thank you for being here.
My pleasure. It's been real.
I had so much fun. Ich kann von du sein in mitgehen mit der Punches, mit der Kamera, mit der Setup, mit der
Yeah.
all that.
I'll find out via the today toast belt.
Ja. En met den sehen wir der nächste.
Ja.
Peace.